In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer ownership of a folder or document in Google Drive step by step. If you need to hand off a file, move a project to someone else, or make another person the new owner of a shared folder, this guide will walk you through the full process. It's a really useful skill for teams, students, businesses, and anyone who collaborates inside Google Drive. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign in to the Google account that currently owns the folder or document. Once you're inside Google Drive, look at the left-hand menu and click on My Drive. This will show you the files and folders stored in your account. Now find the folder or document that you want to transfer. If it hasn't been shared yet, click to select it first, then use the share icon at the top of the screen. This opens the sharing settings where you can invite another person. In the sharing box, enter the recipient's email address. Make sure you type the correct email because this is the person who will eventually become the new owner. Next, choose the permission level. At this stage, you can give them editor access, viewer access, or commenter access, depending on what you need. If your goal is to transfer ownership, the person should already be added as an editor first. After selecting the correct role, click Send. Google Drive will send them an invitation so they can access the file or folder. Once the item has been shared, click on the shared folder or document again. Then click the share icon at the top one more time to reopen the sharing settings. Find the person you just added and click the drop-down next to their name. It will most likely show Editor right now. Open that menu and choose Transfer Ownership. Google Drive will ask you to confirm the ownership change. Click Transfer Ownership to continue, then click Send Invitation. At this point, the transfer is not fully complete yet because the recipient still has to accept it. The new owner will receive an email notification asking them to approve the request. Once they open that email and accept the transfer, ownership will officially move to them. That means they will now control the folder or document, and you will no longer be the primary owner. This is the final step, and it's important because Google Drive requires the recipient to confirm the change before it takes effect. So that's how you transfer ownership of a folder or document in Google Drive. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it's the safest way to hand over control of important files. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Google Drive tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software how-to you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.